In today's video I'll show you how to add a blur effect to a video in Descript. To get started, we are currently looking at the Descript dashboard where all of our recent projects are organized. From here, I am going to move my cursor over to select the project named How to Share a Descript Video with a Link, and click on it to open it up. It will just take a brief moment for the project to load up completely. Now that we are inside the main editing interface, you can see our video canvas on the right side of the screen and the transcribed script text on the left. Next, we want to look over at the right-hand sidebar where various editing tools are located. I am going to guide my cursor over to the right side and click on the Properties icon to open up the scene settings. Once the Properties panel expands, we can see several options like Layout, Duration, Background, Color Adjustments, and Effects. I am going to head down to the Effects section and click on the small plus icon located on the right side of the panel. This action opens up a menu showcasing a wide variety of different creative effects and filters that we can apply to our project. Let's find the blur option, which is located right here in the grid, and click on it. As soon as we select it, you can see that the blur effect is instantly applied to our video canvas. To customize this effect further, we can look at the newly added blur section under our Effects panel. I am going to click on the small adjustment settings icon right next to the toggle button. This opens up the amount slider control, allowing us to precisely dial in how strong we want the blur to be. Notice how dragging the slider completely to the right increases the blur intensity significantly, making the video content underneath entirely obscured, while moving it back down softens the effect for a more subtle look. You can play around with these values until you achieve the exact visual style that fits your project. Finally, we can use the toggle switch next to the effect to quickly turn the blur on and off to compare our changes. And that's it, that's how you add a blur effect to a video in Descript.